Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set pic or picture in iPhone while calling. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Under apps, scroll down and then click on the phone app. So scroll down to phone and click on that. Once you click on phone, come to default calling app and click on incoming calls. Then set this to full screen. Once set that to full screen, go back and open the phone app. Then select contact. Under contact, search for the user where you want to set picture or full photo as incoming call. Click on it. Then click on edit. Click on add photo. Then here, locate and click on camera photo memoji or monogram. Then go ahead and select the photo. Once you selected the photo, hang on, then you'll see the photo like this. Go ahead and click on done at top right. Then click on continue. Click on skip or continue. And then click on done. Now when next this particular contact called you on your iPhone, it's going to show the full picture like this. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.